This channel made $10,000 in a month. The creator barely lifts a finger, and I'm revealing 10 niches based on how easy they're to create. Number 10, gaming challenges. These channels made around $1,000 a month with Spider-Man jumping off buildings in GTA. Same challenge every time. The views are real, but the audience is mostly kids, which means your RPMs barely cover your electricity bill. Apply this to a game adults watch, like this guy playing Farming Simulator. Start with $0, survive 365 days, build a full farm, and suddenly you're attracting an audience that pays. So what's the verdict? C tier. The format works, but with those RPMs, you'd make more money farming in real life than in a game. Number 9, fitness explainers. Chill Fit made around $2,000 a month explaining how to burn belly fat with stick figure drawings. People click because nobody wants to hear eat less, move more when a stick figure is telling you walking after dinner is enough. The genius part? Health audiences pay premium ad rates. So what's the verdict? B tier. Solid money, but it gets better when you sell a meal plan or a link to supplements because this audience will buy anything that promises results without effort. Number 8, gardening conspiracies. These channels made around $4,000 a month telling you about plants that were banned, erased, or buried by big agriculture. It's conspiracy content disguised as gardening, where the "they don't want you to know" angle turns a video about beans into something that feels like a secret. The audience is mostly older with real buying power, and pushing videos past 30 minutes means serious watch time and higher RPMs. So what's the verdict? B tier. Solid money for making plants feel illegal. Number 7, Paranormal Activity. Mr. Horror made around $6,000 a month putting together scary videos caught on security cameras. No scripts, no narration, just creepy footage with "don't watch alone" on every thumbnail. It's old footage repackaged as new content, and people eat it up because horror is the one format where viewers sit through a 30-minute video just to prove to themselves they're not scared. Evergreen content, high engagement, and an audience that's definitely not scared at 2 a.m. Finding fresh footage is the hard part because you can only reuse the same ghost clips so many times. So what's the verdict? B tier. Solid money if you can keep finding footage because this content never dies. Number 6, POV Life Explainers. These channels make around $10,000 a month using nothing but AI illustrations and a voiceover. It's crime drama disguised as education, where every video puts you inside a role you'd never want in real life. One channel hit over 8 million views in a month. The format isn't saturated yet, but you need your own twist to stand out, and videos past 15 minutes mean high RPMs because this audience watches the whole thing. So what's the verdict? B tier. Huge money for feeling like a gangster from your couch. You know what's funny? I didn't go looking for these niches. TubeLab drops the latest profitable niche reports every week on your dashboard. Most of this list came from there. And if you want to jump into any of these niches, just add a channel and you get weekly trend reports with the hooks, topics, and video ideas that are working right now. Link in the description. Back to the rankings. Number 5, true crime. Interrogation Corps made around $10,000 a month with real police interrogation footage where killers slowly realize they're caught. It's reality TV where nobody is acting. People sit through 50-minute videos because watching a murderer's face when the detective says, "we found the body," is content you don't skip. True crime has one of the most loyal audiences on YouTube, and RPMs are high because adults maxing out their credit cards on food delivery while binge watching crime content at midnight is dopamine on steroids. The hard part is finding fresh footage. You might need to request footage from the police, which costs time and money, but one good case can carry a whole month. So what's the verdict? A tier. Strong money from an audience that never gets tired of watching people get caught. Number 4, real estate. These channels made around $10,000 a month showing dirt cheap farmhouses and ghost towns with homes under $100,000. It's house hunting disguised as treasure hunting, and viewers sit through 30 minutes because looking at cheap homes you'll never buy is basically a hobby at this point. The format is simple. Pick a state or province, talk over the photos, swap the location, and upload again. Real estate audiences in the US and Canada mean some of the highest RPMs on YouTube because the ads are banks and mortgage companies. So what's the verdict? A tier. Strong money from people who can't stop window shopping. Number 3, deep sea creatures. These channels made around $8,000 a month turning deep sea creatures into mysteries that sound like science fiction. It's nature documentaries disguised as mystery make content, and people watch because the ocean is the closest thing to outer space we have. The content is fully AI-powered, science audiences pay premium ad rates, and pushing videos past 20 minutes means even more money. Focus on research and storytelling, and this niche pays well. So what's the verdict? A tier. Strong money for making fish sound like they're aliens. Number 2, 3D spy docs. These channels made around $8,000 a month telling stories about spies, defectors, and secret missions using 3D animated figures. It's Hollywood spy movies disguised as history class, and people watch because a story about someone stealing a fighter jet to escape a dictatorship is impossible to scroll past. A year ago, you needed a team of 3D artists and a 6-figure budget to make this. Now AI does it for you. The content is evergreen, and viewers sit through 20-minute videos start to finish. So what's the verdict? S tier. This is the kind of content YouTube was built for. Number 1, sleep gaming. Sleepy Slorgs made around $10,000 a month with 5 videos playing violent games in the calmest voice possible.
I will be robbing people as quietly and as relaxingly as possible.
It's ASMR disguised as gaming, where viewers leave it running for 90 minutes while they pass out. The genius part? YouTube counts sleeping viewers as watch time, so the algorithm pushes it like crazy. Every video is over an hour, the RPMs are high, and you only need to upload once a week. So what's the verdict? S tier. The most effortless niche on this list, and your viewers are literally unconscious. Don't straight up copy, make it yours. The format is the gold mine, not the exact content. And here's the best part. Join our exclusive Discord community to connect with other creators finding untapped opportunities before everyone else. Link in the description.